32, Simran Sheikh, the batter from India. And let's open here at 10 lakh, please. At 10 lakh, do I have a bid anywhere in the room for Simran Sheikh? At 10 lakh, opening bid of 10. Opening bid of 10 lakh, do I see anyone in the room at all? All through? All through? Is that a bid? No. All done. Anyone in the room at all? Fair warning, there I see Delhi first at 10. 15 is here. Gujarat Giants comes in at 15. At 15, 20 for Delhi. 25 for Gujarat. 30 for Delhi. 35 for Gujarat. 40 is Delhi. 45 are the Giants. 50 lakh, Delhi Capitals. 55, thank you Giants. At 55, 60, Delhi comes straight back. At 60, 65 for the Giants. 70 lakh for Delhi. 75 is the Giants. 80 for Delhi. 85 for the Giants. 90 lakh for the Capitals. 95 for the Giants. 1 crore is Delhi. 1 crore 10, thank you Giants. 1 crore 20, Delhi straight back. 1 crore 30, Gujarat. And 40, Delhi. 1 crore 50, Giants. 1 crore 60, Delhi. At 1 crore 60, and Gujarat comes back. 170 for Gujarat. 180. Delhi Capitals is back at 180. 1 crore 90 is the result of that. 1 crore 90 with Gujarat now. Which way will we go? They are done. 1 crore 90 with the Gujarat Giants now in the center of the room at 1 crore 90. Do I have anybody else coming in? At 1 crore and 90 lakh, ahead of everybody else, it's with the Giants. Last chance for Delhi or anybody else in the room. All through then and selling up front, it's with the Gujarat Giants at 1 crore and 90 lakh. Gujarat Giants, Simran Sheikh, sold to you. Thank you. Our first player of today is going to be number 6. This is Deandra Doughton, the all-rounder from the West Indies. And can we open here for Deandra Doughton at 50 lakh, please? At 50 lakh, do I have an opening bid anywhere in the room? Any team coming in at 50 lakh? Thank you so much. I saw UP Warriors first at 50 lakh. At 50 lakh now, far back of the room at 50 lakh. Ahead of you, Gujarat Giants. It's with the UP Warriors at the back of the room. At 50 lakh, do I have anybody else coming in ahead of that? 55, thank you, Gujarat Giants. Welcome. At 55 lakh now, it's with the Gujarat Giants. At 55 lakh, 60 goes back to UP. At 60 lakh now, it's with the UP Warriors. 65, thank you. At 65 lakh, Gujarat Giants up front at 65, 70 for UP. At 70 lakh now with the UP Warriors, 75 lakh. Up with Gujarat at 75, 80 lakh with the Warriors, 85, thank you Gujarat. At 85, in the center of the room at 85 lakh now. UP Ponders, 90 lakh, thank you so much. 90, UP Warriors is back at 90 lakh. 1 crore 30, thank you so much. 1 crore 30 with the Giants now at 1 crore and 30 lakh. Do we have 140? 1 crore 40 for the Warriors. 1 crore 50. Thank you, Gujarat Giants at 1 crore 50 now, center of the room. 1 crore 50. 160, say the Warriors. 170, quick comeback there from Giants at 1 crore 70 now. At 1 crore 70. Done. At 1 crore 70, it's with the Gujarat Giants. At 1 crore 70 lakh, I'm selling in the center of the room here for the Gujarat Giants at 1 crore 70. Sold for the Gujarat Giants there at 1 crore and 70 lakh. Thank you. Our first player in the uncapped category is going to be number 27. This is G. Kamalini, number 27. The wicketkeeper, and let's open at 10 lakh, please. Thank you so much. Mumbai Indians come straight in. Thank you very much at 10 lakh. 15 for the Delhi Capitals. At 15 lakh, 20 lakh goes back to the Mumbai Indians. 25 for the Delhi Capitals. 30 lakh for the Mumbai Indians. At 30 lakh for the Mumbai Indians, 35 lakh is Delhi Capitals. 40 lakh Mumbai Indians. At 40 lakh, 45 for the Capitals. 50 lakh for MI. At 50 lakh now, it's with MI. 55 say Delhi. 60 lakh say Mumbai. At 65 lakh for Delhi. 70 lakh, thank you Mumbai. 75 lakh, DC. 80 lakh, thank you ma'am. 80 lakh on my left with the Mumbai Indians. 85 lakh say Delhi. 90 lakh for the Mumbai Indians. 95 say Delhi. 1 crore on my left with the Mumbai Indians at 1 crore. 1 crore 10 lakh for the Capitals. At 1 crore 10. 1 crore 20, MI. At 1 crore 20. Delhi thinks at 1 crore 20, 130. Say Delhi. 1 crore 40 for Mumbai. 1 crore 50 for Delhi. 1 crore 60 for Mumbai. all done. At 1 crore and 60 lakh, all through, all done then, last chance, and selling to the Mumbai Indians at 1 crore 60 lakh. For you Mumbai Indians at 1 crore 60, sold. Next up is going to be number 31. This is Prema Rawat, the Indian all-rounder, Prema Rawat. And can be open at 10 lakh, please, for Prema Rawat. Do I have a bid anywhere at 10 lakh? Do I see any paddle going up to start us off at 10 lakh for Prema Rawat? Thank you so much, Royal Challengers. At 10 lakh, I have the Bengaluru team coming in. Anybody else coming in ahead of them now? It's at 10 lakh with RCB at 10 lakh. Anybody else coming in ahead? All through then and selling. We will sell to RCB if we're all done. Delhi Capitals says 1 minute. 15 lakhs say Delhi Capitals, 20 lakhs say RCB. Straight back, 25 for the Delhi Capitals, 30 lakh for RCB. At 30 lakh, 35 for the Capitals. 40 lakhs say RCB. 45 for Delhi. 50 lakh for Bengaluru. 55 for the Delhi Capitals, 60 lakh for the Royal Challengers. 65 lakh for the Capitals, 70 lakh for RCB. 75 Delhi Capitals, 80 lakh RCB. 85, 90 lakh back to the Royal Challengers. 95 for Delhi, 1 crore for RCB. 110 for the Delhi Capitals, 120 say RCB. At 1 crore and 20 lakh, last chance for any other team. I will sell to the Royal Challengers if everybody else is sure, completely done. Last chance then, and selling to the Royal Challengers at 1 crore 20 lakh. Sold to the Royal Challengers at 1 crore 20. Next up is going to be number 22. This is N. Charani from India, the all-rounder. 10 lakh Mumbai Indians, thank you ma'am. At 10 lakh on my left now at 10. 25 say Delhi. 30 Mumbai Indians. 55 say Delhi Capitals. Any other player, any other team coming in? At 55 lakh. All done then and selling to the Delhi Capitals. Last chance at 55 lakh. Delhi, it's yours, sold at 55 lakh. Thank you. Number 5 will be our next player. This is Nadine de Klerk from South Africa, the all-rounder there. And let's open here at 30 lakh for Nadine de Klerk. 30 lakh starting bid at 30 lakh now for the South African. At 30 lakh, do I see a paddle going up? At 30 lakh, do we have any interest at 30 lakh? Thank you, Mumbai Indians. Welcome at 30 lakh. On my left, for Nadine de Klerk now, the bid is with the Mumbai Indians. On my left at 30 lakh. Any other team coming in ahead of that? At 30 lakh, we are currently with the Mumbai Indians on my left. At 30 lakh, anybody else coming in? All done and selling to the Mumbai Indians. Last chance if you want to come in. We will sell on my left for the Mumbai Indians there at 30 lakh. Sold to the Indians. Well done at 30 lakh. Okay, we have number 8. Daniel Gibson and starting price of 30 lakh. Do I have anyone in the room? I do. Thank you so much. Gujarat Giants, well done. Thank you so much. And selling to the Giants at 30 lakh. Sold. Thank you very much. I think that brings us, we have one more. Let's see what your next